Okay, good morning guys. This is a cheap one car amplifier. So we make this video for this item, and we proceed to test this one after the review. Okay, so open it. This is car audio amplifier PA80D 1000 PMPO. But in the reality, this is not 1000 watts. This is already 50 to 80 watts or 100 watts. Let's see in the back. This is the amplifier side. You see, there is a 4 pieces transistor at the back. I don't know the number because there is no part number inside this one. And this is the inverter side, which is have 2 MOSFET and 2 diodes to rectify the DC 12 volts into maybe this is 35 volts dual plus minus in the ground. This is the low pass filter side, tone control. In the front, fuse, battery terminal, RCA connectors, external volume, volume level, low pass filter level, low pass filter switch, and full selections. This is the power indicator, and also the speaker terminal. There's no speaker terminal, also speaker wire only. Okay, we are now proceed to testing. First, we connect the wires from the power source. You see this one? This is the sign for the negative. There is a ground and a negative sign in the amplifier terminal. So we must first insert this one. Screw. Then second one is the positive. This is a sign of positive. 12 volts positive here. The remote, RAM, accessories wire for car stereo out, voltage out. This one, okay, accessory. It's called remote. It's inserted in car stereo or the ignition switch of any vehicle. Okay, you see proper connection. Then we connect in the battery. See, the positive is inserted or bolted in the positive of the battery. We must use this bolt. And the negative. Then the last one is the RAM, but this is not plugged into the 12 volts. So we must first insert this speaker terminal to the speaker, positive and the red. open the remote. As you can see, the power indicator will glow. So we start to test. This is a RCA 3.5 connector. White on the red, left and right. But this is already a mono amplifier. So the design must be from stereo to mono output. Okay, then we must proceed the audio signal. Set into the minimum level. Select to full. Then start to play any music you want.